Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Okafor Cynthia, and in this video throughout today, we are going to be talking about how you can make money even while asleep in the cryptocurrency market. I know you might be wondering, how do I achieve this particular goal? How do I make money even while asleep in the cryptocurrency market that demands much of my attention, much of your attention to make money in the industry? Yeah, by the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money by staking your already existing asset on your Binance app to make you more money, make you more profit, even while you are not trading it or even while you are asleep. So let's jump in right in and get started. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, do well to hit the subscribe button. And also, I teach more about cryptocurrency, play to earn game, how you can make money working in the cryptocurrency industry, and a whole lot of other things about cryptocurrency. All you just have to do is to hit the subscribe button because I have lots and lots of information to share with you on this platform. So let's dive in right in. This is the Binance app. If you want to start staking your cryptocurrency, like I said, the easiest way to make money without trading on Binance is to stake your already existing cryptocurrency assets. So all you just have to do is to come here under the end session on Binance, then you click on staking. Click on staking. So we're going to wait for some time. Oh god, I'm not logged in. Okay, so I've logged into my account. So this is the staking section of the Binance app. All you just have to do is to look through the coins available for staking. Right now you can see, let me show you some of the ones that have a very strong APR for profits. Right, you can see this one has 9%, and this one has 48%. It means that you can make more staking the one that have the higher percentage, right? Yeah, so you can see we have 29%. You can choose to go with the coins that you have, or you can choose to invest in the one that have high APR and then go for it, right? Yeah, but then let's say you don't have money to buy any other coin, you can come to the staking section to see if your token can actually be staked for profit. Let's take for instance that you have FTN. I think I have a video that I've done on how to do this. So the main purpose of this video is to show you some of the top coins that gives you more APR to stake your tokens, right? You can see this one has 20%, ACH has 40%, and it's sold out. You can see Sand is sold out. These are some of the popular ones that are all sold out. This one is sold out. Okay, these ones are still available. You can still stake these ones. And there is another thing, while staking, you need to also make sure that you are staking in a coin that is going to be very strong. You must have done your fundamental analysis, your technical analysis, and all of that before staking. Take for instance, imagine those that staked Luna and locked it for 90 days. By now, I'm sure they will still be mourning their losses, right? So that is it. Because some of these top coins that people really trust in, they are no longer available. See, ACH is sold out. 40% profit. This one, Sand, is sold out. 14 people even prefer to go for Sand that is 14% to some of the coins that are not really well known that have higher percentage. So that is more about this, right? You can see NKN is 16%, Mina 29%, Flow 12%. So depending on what you want, depending on the one you want to go for, right? So maybe I'm going to use ADA as an example. Let me use FTM as an example. So let's say I want to do, okay, you see 30 days is sold out, 60 days is sold out. They just have 120 days, which is so long. You can't cut it till that period, right? So you can see um this one still has the one for 30 days is sold out. This should be sold out, so it's not sold out. Okay, 60 days is sold out. You can see, let's see, sold out. Theta is sold out. 10 days, okay, 30 days is not sold out. If you want to check for that one, you can still check it out, right? So yeah, you can see for this one Okay, it's not sold out, but the APR is very, very small. You can see okay, airdrop BTC. No, I don't want that one. Okay, so let's just keep going. So it's sold out. Okay, for 21 days is 19, for 30 days is 5%, 60 days, 90 days, 120 days. You can see why this one is sold out. 120 days is 19%. So you can see 6%, 9%, 13%. 120 days, it's not, none of them is sold out yet. So you can say check for yourself the one that you feel like you want to go for. You can see 9%. If you feel like you want to stake your SKL for 9% profit for 60 days, which is very, very, very low, right? So that is it. Let's go back to the beginning part of this video of the coins we have here. So let's take for instance that we want to stake let me see if they have sheep, or sheep should even be sold out if at all is here. I think I'm going to use Ada as my example. It's not sold out. It's not sold out. Oh, 120 days, 15% is sold out. So let's just use 9%, 90 days as an example. I think I have Ada already staked. You click on stake, it's locked. So you click on stake, you put how many Ada that you want to stake, right? Available quota minimum is 0.001 Ada, 0.001 is the minimum you can stake, right? You can see you can stake any amount. You don't need to have 1,000 pieces of Ada in order for you to actually, stake this stuff that we are talking about, right? Yeah. So after you have done that, the next thing you need to do is, then after you must have entered all the available details, the next thing you will have to do is to check this button to notify Binance that you have read and accepted their staking policy. Then you click on confirm. Then you click on confirm, and that is all. I'm not going to confirm this because I already have an valuable stake with Ada, right? Yes, I have some stake already on this particular project, so I wouldn't want to um unstake them yet. So for that reason, I'm not going to click on confirm, right? But this is exactly how you can go about staking your coins on Binance. This is exactly how you can go about it. You can make your research, choose the right ones to avoid making some unnecessary mistakes, right? Then after you are done with that, I think this is the end of it all. At the end of the 90 days, your coin will get unstaked automatically, as long as you did not select this. If you took note of something when I was showing this, there is an automatic staking check that I had to unstake. Let me probably go back there and show you guys something. Okay, so let me just use this first token. You can see this. If you are staking, always uncheck this if you don't want it to automatically stake by itself. So that is it. I hope you learned something from this video. What would you want me to talk about on my channel next? Let me know in the comment section. I would want to know what you want me to talk about in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.